Hey guys, welcome back. In our video now we are off to the Lake District. So we took the route going up the M40 and then we went up the M6 all the way up to the Lake District. Took us about 6 hours including breaks. We stopped off at the services I think twice in total, so it's not too bad. Traffic was really quite rough in some places, but it gets better as you go north.
Myself free, but the past will keep me broken, the present all alone, the future's yet unspoken. Please come home.
So here we are, just about to turn up to our campsite. This road carries on to the Hardknott Pass. This was SeaGull campsite. As you can see, there are a few camper vans here, and it was peaceful. There were some very nice shower blocks. They look pretty recently renovated, and they had some glamping there in these little huts, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, overall it was a good campsite. So when we arrived, it was tipping down with rain. We set the tent up and we had a quick snack for dinner, and we had rain all night. The next day we got up nice and early. We had a quick bacon and eggs. As you can see there, that's the result of the rain, quite a lot of it. After breakfast, we left to go on to Hardknott Pass. This was one of the hardest roads in England. As you can see here, some details. I have to say, the scenery was amazing. It was a little bit wet at the top, but it was a good drive. The car worked hard, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. When we started on Hardknott Pass, we found this river flowing downstream. It was quite popular. A lot of people here taking pictures, and the bus turned up for some tourists. But then the road started getting pretty steep from here up. So after passing the summit, I tried to find a little spot just to park up and take some pictures of the views surrounding us. It was pretty breathtaking, I have to say. Thoroughly enjoyed that drive. So after taking some pictures, it was time to head down the rest of the road. Wasn't too bad. We saw some walkers on the way up, and it was generally fairly easy going on the way down. Just got to be careful with the brakes. Use the engine as much as possible. No, that's good.